Hi, I'm Lera. I'm a singer and vocal coach, and today I'm going to talk about breathing. How to improve our breathing. Uh, it's very important to understand that a better breathing in an efficient way, will improve many activities like singing or maybe any kind of sports. For example, if you breathe properly, you will speak or you will talk a lot without damage your vocal cords. So, first we must understand that breathing is a whole process, it's a whole system, and we must understand how it works in our bodies. Okay. First of all, we must understand what are the body parts that take part in the breathing system and how it works. Okay. We need to know what the body is doing when I'm breathing. So, if we understand this, we are going to be able to improve our breathing and our control because we know what is happening. And something very important, breathing is mostly unconscious, it's an unconscious activity, but we can bring it to conscious and then start to control and use it to get better many things. Okay, so I will give you maybe four exercises to make great improvements. They are easy exercises, and what are we going to get with these exercises? First, we are going to increase breathing capacity. Second, we are going to control and dose exhale. Then we are going to understand what is breathing support. And then we are going to connect breathe with many positions of phonation. This is another kind of topic, but it's some kind of bonus track that I'm going to give to you because I'm a singer and I can't resist. So we are going to understand how it works. Our breathing starts when we inhale by nose mostly, and then we are going to fill our lungs. Okay, but you must understand that lungs are like balloons that don't make anything. Lungs are there, and when we inhale, they get filled. But how? And this is the most important part. There is a muscle here called diaphragm that lets us fill our lungs. How? Because this muscle has this structure like a C sharp, like this. And when we take breath, imagine that these are my ribs, okay? And this is my diaphragm. So when I take breath, it happens this. My diaphragm, this C, gets more like this and open my ribs, and my limbs are going to be filled. So what allow us to take a good breathing is our diaphragm. Our breathing muscle is the diaphragm. It's not okay. It's the nose, it's the mouth, our lungs, but the most important one is diaphragm. Okay, we understood that without this muscle, this diaphragm, we are not going to be able to breathe. And controlling this muscle, we are going to improve many activities and, of course, breathing. I'm going to give you 4 exercises to train this muscle. Okay. What we are going to do first of all is understand that must be a very relaxed body. Okay. Don't make this kind of breathing taking shoulders up. No, always shoulders relaxed, and this kind of tension here, please don't do it because it won't work. Okay. Well, first exercise, we are going to use this hand here and this hand here, and we are going to control that our middle fingers are going to get separated. So we are going to do this, and see how it gets separated. Okay, just easy like this. It's just a control exercise. So again, without tension, we are going to and take this like if we want to don't get our ribs get close again. Okay, just for a while like this. What are we doing here? Here I'm imagine if our lungs are 2 balloons, we are going to, with this situation of all the time in inhale situation, or maybe we call it apnea, when we are going to get into a swimming pool, like making a dive, we are going to use our diaphragm like when we tied a balloon. Without this tie, our air will be doing this and inhale without control. So doing this, we are going to train how to tie this balloon. Okay, just to keep our air inside our bodies all the time we want. Okay. Second exercise. The second exercise will be very similar to the other one, but we are going to take the air, opening these fingers, and we are going to try to exhale with a very little mouth, like when we are going to whistle, with a very flux of air, very continuous and all the time equal. Okay, and we are going to take this exhale is going to be as long as you can. Okay, so we are going to do this. Open ribs, and then trying to do that trying to make these ribs don't get close. It will get close, but we are going to make this kind of energy to don't let them close. So I will explain it again. We are going to take breath by nose if you want, then and when we are going to be ending, so our fingers are going to be close again, we are going to do this. Okay, we are doing there some kind of energy that we call support. We are in a level 10 of support. If there is a level from 1 to 10, we are in a 10 level of energy. Okay, this exercise will increase capacity, breathing capacity, and a little bit of energy. So the third one is an exercise pretty similar to the other one, but we're going to make it to win more energy, more diaphragm energy. So we are going to take breath, inhale, opening, and then without closing, we are going to make this okay? We are using here this energy of support that I was talking to you before. This is an energy inside down, like going to the bathroom, like when we cough, and when we laugh, okay? This is the support of the voice, the support energy. So this is an energy inside, body down, okay? It's not belly out or belly in. It's inside down body, okay? So we are going to make this third exercise, and the fourth one is the same but with another consonant, sh, and then s, and then f. We're going to make and then release. It's very important that you take a rest between one and the other, because maybe you can feel not so good if you do this too close, okay? So I'm going to repeat it, and I'm going to explain something else, most go into the singing part, okay? I'm going to repeat the fourth exercise, okay? First one, we are going to control. I'm going to stand up to show you. We are going to control without using any kind of tension, shoulders down, and we are going to take breath, inhaling, and control that our fingers get separated. You can do it many times. It's just controlling that our ribs are getting opened by our diaphragm. Okay, then second, we're going to do this breathing capacity exercise. We are going to take breath and then exhale like as long as you can, and when your fingers are getting close again, we are going to do this but not only here in your mouth like is with this energy that we are going to keep out our air to exhale like okay? This is support energy. The third one is the exercise that we are going to do is what we are going to do is this release and then okay? And the fourth one is the same but with many different consonants like take your time, don't make all together the exercises because you're going to get tired, okay? So, what is very important that it's going on here is that we are understanding how it works, the breathing support. When we sing, we are going to use this support to take air to it gets through our vocal cords that only vibrates, don't get in our throat, and gets into our resonation areas that are all the bones in our face. So, one thing that I'm going to tell you, if you sing, you are going to use all these exercises together. So, you can do these 4 exercises, or you can sing, or you can do both. But if you sing, and you sing properly with vocal technique, you will be able to improve your breathing in a very beautiful way.